Hi and welcome back in this tutorial. So hopefully you are doing well and you have already checked all my previous tutorials that actually are published in a sequence. So in this tutorial I will show you how we could use the design section in Microsoft Word and how we could apply different types of themes. So right now you have seen that it is inactive. To do it, we have to open a file. I'm now opening a file and I'm going to the design section, and right now as you have seen that this section, the ribbon section, is right now activated. Now from there we are going to choose a theme. So if we click on the drop down that are under the theme section, you can see that there are lots of themes already available. So if you hover any of the theme, based on that, as you have seen that our writings are changing. So I'm now selecting one theme and you have seen that the writing is changing. Here we can choose different types of designs as well. So if we choose this, you have seen the formatting is changing, and if we select it and then apply, then these are gradually changing. Now if we want to change the colors of the themes, then we have to choose this one, and from here you can see that there are different colors available. From there you can customize it. So if you can choose this one, this color, and based on this selection, as you have seen that the built-in colors are changing. Okay, so in this way we can change the colors of our themes. Now there is a font section, so we can change the fonts from here as well. As you have seen that I'm going through the fonts and our writings are changing based on the fonts we have chosen. In next, you have seen there is a paragraph spacing. So based on it, our paragraph space could be determined, just like no paragraph space. So our sentences are attached very closely. If compact, then tight, then open, relaxed, double. So in this way we can spacing paragraphs in our paragraph. Now there is an effects section. So here from there you can apply different types of effects as well. Okay. Then in another, this is another section, page background, where we could put our watermark so that our document no one can duplicate our document. So right now I'm showing you how we could put a watermark in our document. So the document, I'm choosing the drop down first and I am choosing one of the format, and as you have seen that it says confidential, but we can customize our watermark. So I'm clicking on the watermark and I'm moving to the custom watermark section, and as you have seen that there is a text, so I'm writing it word training by if I apply it and then close it, as you have seen that what training by Sajbir is here as a watermark. So in this way we can customize our watermark, and if we want to remove watermark, just we need to click on it. As you have seen that the watermark is removed. Now it's page color section. In page color section we can implement page color to our document. Let's see, if I put on blue, orange, and based on the selection of color our page color is changing. We can use more colors from here if we could not choose it from there as well. In this way we can put different types of colors in our page, and if we don't want to put any color, then we can choose no color section, so it will be same as the default. Now the last section is the page border. So here we could put page borders to our document. After clicking on it, as you have seen that right now it is on none section. Now we can choose a box, and if we click on OK, as you have seen that a box is appeared in the page. We can use different styles of borders from here. So if we click this one and please OK, as you have seen that our border styles is changing. We can put shadow here. If we click on OK, as you have seen that a shadow is appears. If we choose 3D one, now you can see another design is implemented. So in this way we can use different types of page borders here. And in shading section, if we choose color, for the time being I'm choosing this one and click OK. As you have seen that shading is coming. I have already showed you how we could put shading here as well in my previous tutorial. So I think after watching this video you will be able to design your own theme in your document, and also you can put different types of boxes and watermarks there as well, and also you can change the spacing of your paragraph. So that's all from me in this tutorial. Hope to see you in next tutorial. Thank you.